Hello everyone. I'm here to talk to you about the QEP program, the second batch of the QEP program, which is starting from the 7th of March. Now, this is a QEP program or the crash course for prelims examination for 2022. And we've been running this program, as you know, for many years now. And this is one program which caters to the needs of the serious aspirants, particularly from the prelims point of view, in a very comprehensive manner. And to that extent, the program which is starting from the 7th of March is in the online mode only. Now, what is to be understood is that all the subjects are going to be done in a duration of 7 to 8 days. For example, history actually takes 7 to 8 days, polity also 7 to 8 days, geography and environment will also take around 8 days, and economy 7 days, science and tech 3 days, and current affairs again 7 days. The idea is that each of the teachers will finish everything which is relevant from the prelims examination point of view in these days. Classes will be held for 6 hours every day, and also all of these lectures are workbook aided lectures, in the sense that you will be provided hard copy of the workbooks for all these subjects, and you have to attend the lectures and fill the workbooks along with the teachers, because that is only when you it is only in that case you will be able to comprehensively cover everything also in a limited time, and will be able to revise from these workbooks in the last couple of days as you move forward for the exam. Now also, so this is something which is going to be covered in the course. The course is in the online mode only, and also when you take a look at the course, in terms of the features of the course, the hard copy material of the workbooks will be provided. Classes will be held every day for 6 hours, roughly from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And all these lectures will be available to you both in the live format as well as the recorded format. So you can watch the lecture live also, or if you want to speed it up and watch it in the recorded format, you can do that as well. Every day also, after the live lecture, there will be a Q&A session with the relevant teacher on Zoom between the students and the teacher, and that will be from 6 p.m. onwards. There's also within the course a question bank of roughly around every subject. You'll get a question bank of roughly around 200 questions each. So for history, for polity, economy, geography, science and tech, etc. So you'll have a question bank of roughly 1,000 to 1,200 questions. You should do those questions. Also, the question bank will come with the explanation also, so that you should use that as well. And apart from this, there will be 5 comprehensive grand tests also, so which will be done on 5 Sundays to actually replicate the feel of the examination as well. So all of this is included within the course. The prelims crash course, or the quality enrichment program as we call it, is primarily directed towards those students who have some idea about the syllabus, are preparing for the prelims examination this year. If you have certain gap areas in your preparation, for example, some of the students are like, sir, I've never read science and tech, and now what do I do about it? Should I leave science and tech? That's a bad strategy. Somebody will ask, sir, I've left medieval India till now, should I leave medieval India and go in the exam? I'll say that's a bad strategy. Do not leave any gap areas in your preparation, and if you have gap areas in your preparation, this program will help you a lot. Also, if you have revised or if you have covered certain areas, it will help in a comprehensive and a very quick time-bound manner of revision as well. One last feature of the course also is that each of the lectures in the course will be available for each lecture, live or recorded, will be available for 48 hours up to 2 days from the date of lecture. So every lecture will be available for 2 days from the date of lecture, or for 48 hours from the date of lecture. So this is primarily also to ensure discipline, in the sense that you stick to the schedule that we are giving to you. And so if it is the lecture of the 7th March, it will be available on the 7th March and the 8th March, and not beyond it. So you have to stick to the schedule as well. So these are some of the features of the course, and the course is going to be a one-stop solution for your prelims examination needs. And I would suggest you that if you are serious about the examination, this course is something which is going to help you a lot in terms of fine-tuning your preparation, revising also, and covering those gap areas if there are any in your preparation. Thank you.